What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time watching, my name is Viet, otherwise known as F8x Ho. Right now I'm actually at my boy Jonathan and M235 Danny's apartment complex. I'm meeting Jonathan and Kyler, aka F30 Skirt. We're gonna go chill and take some pictures. I'm also gonna compare my exhaust note to Jonathan's. He also has the equal length mid pipe, but he has the resonated version because he has catless downpipe. So we're gonna compare my stock downpipe non-resonated section to his catless downpipe resonated section for you guys, so you guys can get a comparison. But yeah, we're just gonna get some pics for Instagram for the week. Just hang out, chill. It's a Sunday afternoon, the weather's nice. I'm also gonna ask one of them to hold the camera while I do a drive-by, so you guys can hear the equal length mid pipe when I do a wide open throttle drive-by. Cause so far I've only gotten ones of me with the camera on a tripod or just me holding the camera in the car. So it should be a fun afternoon. I invite you to leave a like, comment down below what you guys think about this video, and subscribe for future content. But yeah, it should be a fun video. Thanks for watching. So yeah, I'm just waiting for Jonathan and Kyler to come down here, but I just washed the F80. I finally used the PNS bead maker that M235 Danny got me for my birthday. And man, the car looks mint. Looks like a brand new car. Look at that reflection. It's like glass. And then I also cleaned the wheels up a little bit. You already know. They're looking good. Good day to take some pictures when the car's all clean. And get some more sound clips for you guys. But yeah, here's the F80 all cleaned up. PNS bead maker is the truth. It's probably my new favorite product for sure. Sheesh. Here's a look at Kyler's F30, aka the 340 B58 GOAT, aka the Fast Boy. Man, look at his car, man. His paint and his detail work. Flawless. Look at that reflection. Makes me look like I'm a noob. Sheesh. Kyler's car is always clean though. Man's a detail legend. He did this ceramic coating on his own car himself. And as you guys can see here, he also fucks heavy with PNS detailing products. I mean, sheesh. Thing's flawless. Looks like it just came off the showroom floor for real. Make sure you guys give him a follow as well. He's making some dope F30 content on YouTube, and his pictures on Instagram are insane. His pictures shit on all of mine. But yeah, they should be down here any second. Just show you guys his paint though. It's freaking clean. Sheesh. Wheels are super clean as well. Spotless. Man's got some new mods though. I see he put a roof rack on. New spoilers looking sick. New diffuser. Let's go, boy. Blacked out badge. Okay, okay. Clean, 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 bro. Man upgraded. Gotta love it when the boys upgrade. Might as well give you guys some exhaust baby revs since I'm in their parking garage. Alright, I don't want to get kicked out or get them in trouble. Sheesh. Yo. The homie, yo yo. Yo, Jonathan's car sounds so good. Equal length mid pipe, boys, y'all already know. And then we got Kyler in the back. Yes sir. Alright, we just pulled up to this loading dock near their place. Quick detail, photo shoot time, you already know. Yo, his mid pipe in person sounds amazing. I feel like it just sounds as good as mine does, but it just is maybe a little bit louder, but we'll do a comparison later. Them boys. Alright, so now we are gonna do a sound test like the title and thumbnail of this video suggests. So this is gonna be stock downpipes, non-resonated, equal length mid-pipe, catless downpipes, resonated, equal length mid-pipes, tongue twister, both S55. That's it. Alright, my boy Jonathan, give him a follow. Alright, we're gonna do valves closed first. Okay. Valves open. What is it, Sport Plus?
This is just Sport.
Sport? Alright. Fire. Anything else?
You want Sport Plus?
Let's try Sport Plus. Why not? For the people. Hell yeah! What do you think?
That was crazy loud.
Let's get it. Hey, you can just do it in my car.
Okay.
Fuck it. Fuck it. I'm gonna let him whip the car. What? This is probably Sport Plus, so just press M1, it'll close. Or you can just do it over here. Alright, Jonathan's gonna do it for me. I'm gonna get a better angle though. Alright, so this is stock downpipes, non-resonated. What is this? Valves closed? Alright, valves closed, valves closed. Okay, okay. What are we doing, sport?
Yep.
Sport. Okay, okay. Sport Plus, here we go, here we go. Ow. All right. For the people, bro. Everybody.
That's loud, man.
Yeah. What do you think? What do you think? Bro, they both sound fire.
So you have the MPE?
No, this is just the comp exhaust.
Oh, okay.
So the comp muffler, like, is different from the stock muffler, but
Right.
not by much, but it just has a different tone.
A little deeper.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's something in the muffler itself
Yeah.
that's slightly different.
Same with the CS muffler. But it kind of sounds MPE-ish, like at the low RPMs, you know, like really deep and grumbly, but I don't want to spend
I didn't realize
3,500 for an MPV, you know. Alright, so that was standalone revs for you guys. We're going to do some flybys a little later. But right now we're going to finish taking some photos for IG. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. Both setups sound fire, you know what I mean? So, can't go wrong. Sheesh!
Telling Tyler.
Yeah. Sheesh. Alright, we're gonna go to another spot to take photos. Check out Kylie's car. Fucking sick. We just wrapped up at this photo spot and now we're gonna go to a museum nearby that Jonathan took photos at before. So, take you along for the ride. Let's get it. Sheesh. Alright, we just pulled up to location number 2 and check it out. It's dope. Shout out to Kyler for showing us the spot. But you already know we're gonna get some bangers for Instagram. We got Jonathan parked over here. We got dope garage. Got some bamboo. Look at these flowers. Springtime is in the air, y'all. Sheesh. This building is sick. Winter Park is so dope. Has so many spots like this where you can shoot. Especially on a Sunday, it's pretty empty. But yeah, we're all shooting in our cars right now, having a good time. Just vibing. spot is sick. Shout out to Kyler for showing us this spot. Alright, we just wrapped up at this location. We're gonna go right across the street. There's a cool little building over there with some gravel, so we're gonna take some more pictures over there. But check out this spot. So sick. You guys will definitely see some pictures of this on Instagram. But yeah, to wrap up this video, we're trying to think of a road to do like a flyby pull for you guys, so stay tuned for that. Location number 3 with the boys. Got a cool little building over here. Some nice gravel. Beautiful day. Beautiful day. Location number 3 with the boys. Got Kyler, Jonathan up there. Got the whips looking all clean. Got a cool little gravel parking lot over here with this building in the background. Beautiful day. Oh look, AMG. Here we go, about to encounter Karen. Yeah, like a little Beamer club. Yeah. Alright, false alarm, he's actually cool. I started recording, I was like, oh god, here comes a Karen. Alright, plot twist, he has an M4, he's cool as hell, so. Alright, so that's pretty funny. Don't judge a book by its cover. This guy was looking at us. I honestly thought he was gonna come over and yell at us for taking pictures of like behind his house or something, but he comes over, he's like, yo, you guys in a BMW group? And I'm like, yeah. And then he's like, let me pull up my M4, it's in the garage right over there. So he's gonna go pull up his white M4 and he's gonna come take pictures with us. Super cool guy from Pennsylvania. But anyway, that was pretty funny. I thought he was gonna come bitch at us for real. Sheesh. You guys can see this man's house is insane. We were just taking pictures over there and that's his house. let's just say he has a mansion. And he got a clean ass white F82. Let's go. M4 boys. Welcome to the party. M party, boys. Alright, cool dude, cool dude. Unexpected.
Awesome.
Yeah, he's mad chill, he's mad chill. Man's got a big ass house too.
Doing good.
Alright, that's it for photo spot number 3. I didn't get much photos. I was actually talking to this guy with the M4. Super cool. His name's Bruce. Told him to come out to any of the club or cars and coffee or car meets someday, but he's a super cool guy. We're gonna go do some flybys now and then wrap up this video. Let's get it. Yo, F these roads, man. Lowered car, brick road, not the beat. I don't know where he went, but I'll follow you. My brother Kyler's taking over the vlog. He's gonna get some sound clips of it. It's just always recording.
Alright.
Put the camera. You can put the screen up if you want to.
Cool. Man, that's tough. I don't know who won. Which one y'all think sounds better? Comment below.
that open or closed? Let's go. B58 boys. All right, that's gonna wrap it up. Any last words, boys? Chill Sunday with the homies.
Yeah, it's tough.
You already know. Make sure you follow them both on Instagram. I'll put them on the screen below. But catch up with you guys later. Alright YouTube, we're back at the crib. That's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Make sure you drop a like, comment sheesh down below if you enjoyed this video with Kyler and Jonathan. We definitely had a good time making it. Stay tuned for next week's video. We're definitely gonna have some more equal length mid-pipe sound clip and comparison and reviews coming soon. So make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification for future content. Follow me on Instagram, and we'll see you on next week's video. Peace.